Hello everyone, good to see you on the channel How to use it. And in this video we continue to learn about service Ilovepdf, and we in that video use that function that can help us to paste watermark on our PDF file. It can be a stamp, it can be a logo and somewhere else, what you want. I select PDF file, for example that file, and we have several options. Place text, for example, how to use it. We can change font size, bold, color, for example that. We can select the place where it can be, the level of transparency, rotate. We can select pages where we want to paste it. If you don't want to paste, for example, on the first page, you can start from second and choose an interesting option over the PDF content or below the PDF content. Let's try to use it. And we use text, but you can select image as well. We can select some image on our computer and do the same thing. But in that video I paste only text. Add watermark and wait a few seconds to download this PDF file. New PDF file with our text watermark. Save and check what we have. So first page we skipped, but on the second we have our watermark. But I offer you try to check how with watermark on the content on the PDF. I quickly choose paste it in the middle of our document and choose below the PDF content. So add watermark and let's see what we have now. So on the first page we don't see anything because it's below the image, and in that situation, so it works good. If it helps you, then click like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see another functions of the channel Ilovepdf and want to learn about all functions, do anything what you want with your PDF files, then press on the screen to the playlist videos and see them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.